Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Desi Putri Awini. I will explain the usage multimedia for English subject. Multimedia is a means of communication for presentations and combining text, sound, image, animation, audio, and video. Multimedia is often used in the world of information. Multimedia is public place to access and obtain information easily. Multimedia is very useful for the learning process during this pandemic. I can easily access the information provided by the lecture through media or multimedia. When using Zoom as a direct communication tool with leisure and friends. You see the WhatsApp application for his you want to ask when not online. And you see course application and LNA website to conduct intended presentation, question and answer, collect assignment, behind the specific time and much more that can be used on his application of website. In using multimedia as a learning tool, we can use audio and video as memorization, text and presentation. We Google from school and fill in that intended list, text and ATP and read assignment. Here are many more benefits of using multimedia as a learning process tool. Multimedia is very helpful in the process of learning English. Thank you for reading. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.